Now you can see here exercise 3 question number 1. Write the information given in the picture in the form of an equation. Also find x in the following figure. Once you can observe here, the total length of the given picture is how much total length should be. See here 15 centimeters. Yes or no? The total length will be 15 centimeters. This total length divided into two subparts. Yes or no? Two subpart. This is from ear to ear one part. From ear to ear another part. See here, if one part is equal to 11 centimeters, then we should find here the second part. They are mentioned here. This is the unknown variable as x centimeters. So that you can express here x plus 11 is equal to 15 or not. Yes, this is the simple equation. So that you can write here from the given picture. You can write here from the given picture. First you need to write here an equation. How can you express here x plus 11 is equal to 15? Yes or no? See here x plus 11 is equal to 15 centimeters. See, you can transpose 11 to RHS. You can transpose 11 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal to here 15 minus 11. That means in the brackets you can write here transposing 11 to RHS. You can see here clearly, you can observe here. If I am transposing 11 to RHS, it will become minus 11 or not? Yes. Yes or no? If I am transposing to 11 to RHS, it will become minus 11. See here, 15 minus 11 is how much? Just you know, see here, 15 minus 11, 4. That means you can express in the centimeters. Length should be. See here, x is equal to, here how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. See here clearly. 4 plus 11 is how much? 15 or not? Yes. If you want, you can check here. Check. You can write here x plus 11 is equal to 15. That means you can clearly observe here 4 plus 11 is equal to 15. Implies 4 plus 11 is how much? 15. Is 15 is equal to 15 or not? Yes, verified. LHS is equal to RHS. So that this is the verified equation. See here, third question. If we add 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Find the number. We don't know that number. Once again, read the question. Try to understand it carefully. If we add 7 to twice a number, that means here 2 times of that number, we get 49. We get here 49. Find that number. So that first of all you can assume here, let the number you can take here, let the number be x here. I am taking here, let the number as x here. Twice a number means, see, twice a number, then twice a number. It will become here 2 times of x. 2 into x means it is 2x or not? Yes, 2x. See here, according to question. See here, according to our question. According to question, we had 7 to twice a number. 7 to twice a number. That means here 7 plus 2x. 7 plus 2x. Yes or no? See here, if you are adding twice a number 2x. Yes or no? 7 plus 2x. This is the major important thing in simple equations. If you are expressing in the simple equation form, the remaining should be very, very easy. Try to understand here. If we add 7 to, adding means here addition, 7 to twice a number 2x, see, we get 49. That means they are expressing is equal 49. So this is the problem completed. Very easy. See here, 7 to twice a number, we get here 49 means is equal 49. See here, you know that you can transpose 7 to RHS. See, 2x is equal 49 minus 7. 49 minus 7 is how much? 9 minus 7 is 2 only. Here 42. 2x is equal 42. See here, 2x is equal 42 means you will get here x is equal 42 by 2. Yes or no? In the brackets you can write here transposing 7 to. Transpose 7 to RHS. Here also you can write here transpose 2 to RHS. Every step you can mention here in this simple equation. You have to write here transpose 7 to RHS. Here 7 plus it is doing addition. If I am transposing to RHS, it will become subtraction. See here 2 times of x means if I am transposing to 2 to RHS, you will get here division or not. See, multiplication will become as division. That means 2x will become as by 2. That means you know that's here 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4 2 1 ja 2. That means you will get here how much? X is equals 21. That means the number will be, see here, the number is equals 21. What they are asking here, find the number. See here, the number should be 21. This is your solution of the given question. See here, check. Here 7 plus 2x is equal. See here 7 plus 2 into x value is how much? 21. See here, that means we can see here 7 plus 2 1 ja 2 here 2 2 ja 4. 7 plus 42 is equal to how much? 49. Are you getting 49 or not? Yes. So that this your answer is should be correct only. See here, if we are adding 7 to twice a number, we get 49. Yes or no? Yes. So this is your correct answer. See here, question number 5. Find a number which when multiplied by 7 and then reduced by 3 is equal to 53. Once again read the question. Find a number which, that means first of all you can assume here the number should be x. See here, which when multiplied by 7 means 7x. Yes or no? Which when multiplied by 7 means 7 into x, 7x. And then reduced by 3, that means 7x. Reduced means subtraction, 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. You know that 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. This is a simple equation or not? Yes, from here onwards you can do the remaining problem as in previous exercise problems. First of all, you can try to read the question carefully and understand it, which we need to find in the question. See here, find a number. That means first of all I am taking here, let the number is here how much? X only. Let the number be x here, which when multiplied by 7, that means if x is multiplied by 7, we get here how much? 7x. Yes or no? We get here 7x. If x is multiplied by 7, we get 7x. See, according to question, according to our problem, see here, a number which when multiplied by 7, that means here 7x, and then reduced by 3, that means here 7x minus 3 is equal to 53. This is a simple equation. Yes or no? From here onwards you know that how to do. Just you can transpose 3 to RHS. That means you will get here how much? Here 7x is equal equal to here 53 plus 3. If I am transposing 3 to RHS, it will become addition or not? Yes or no? In the brackets, you can write here transposing 3 to RHS. You can write here transposing 3 to RHS. That means here 53 plus 3 is how much? Here 56. See here 7x is equal to 56 means, can you express the x value or not? Yes, x is equal to here 56 by 7. Yes or no? 7 times of x means 7 is multiplying x or not? If I am transposing 7 to, you can do here transposing 7 to RHS. If I am transposing 7 to RHS, it will become division. You can simplify here. See here 7 1 ja 7 7 8 ja 56. That means here x value is how much? X is equal to 8 only. X is equal to how much? 8. Therefore, you can write here the number. The required number is how much? The number is equal to 8. But already you know that we need to check our result. Yes or no? Even though you are getting correct answer or not, how can you check? By checking here. What is here? 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3. Just you need to see here LHS part. We need to obtain here RHS. Here 7x minus 3 is equal to 7 into x value is how much? 8 minus 3. 7 8 how much? 56. 56 minus 3 is equal to how much? 53. Are you getting 53 or not? Yes, this is your correct answer. That means here x is equal to 8 is the solution. See here 7 times of x here reduced 3 is equal to 53. This is your solution. See here 6th question. Sum of two numbers is 95. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3, find the numbers. So that first of all you can take here, see solution I am writing. Let's see here in this problem we need to find here two numbers, not only one number. See here we need to find here two numbers. Why? Because sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 3 means, first of all you can see here, let the smaller number be. Let the smaller number, you can consider here, let the smaller number be, here I am taking x only. Let the smaller number will be x, then the bigger number will be, then the bigger number will be. See here, if one exceeds other by which how much? 3. That means you can consider here x plus 3. See here, just very easy problem. Let the smaller number will be x, then the bigger number will be x plus 3. But it is given that, as per the question what they are mentioned, see sum of two numbers is how much? 95. You can write here sum of two numbers is equal to how much? 95. That means implies x plus 3 is equal to here 95. Here x plus x how much? Here 2x. 2x plus 3 is equal to how much? 95. You can transpose 3 to RHS. That means you will get here how much? 2x is equal to 95 minus 3. In the brackets you can write here transpose
3 to RHS. See here, 95 minus 3 is how much? Implies you can write here 2x is equal to here 92 only. Yes or no? 5 minus 3 is 2 only. 92. See here, implies 2 times of x is equal to 92 means here 2 is multiplying x. If I am transposing 2 to RHS, it will divide 92. See here, clearly x is equal to here 92 by 2. 92 by 2. That means if it is possible, you can simplify here. See here, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. 8 here, 12 means 2 6 ja. That means x is equal to how much? X is equal 46. See, that means you can remember here, let it is the smaller number. Therefore, you can write here. Therefore, smaller number is how much? Is equal to x is equal 46. Next, you can write here bigger number. Bigger number is equal. See here, the bigger number is x plus 3 or not? Yes. So that you can write here x plus 3 is equal to here how much? 46 plus 3 is equal to how much? 49. Yes or no? See here, the smaller number will be 46. Bigger number will be 49. Therefore, the two numbers are the two numbers are 46 comma 49. You can write here 49 comma 46 or 46 comma 49. Once you can check your results. See, how can you check? See here, how can you check? Just see here, 49 exceeds 46 by 3 or not? Yes or no? See, 46 plus 3 is almost 49. That means it is exceeds 46 by 3 or not? Yes. And also sum of these two numbers, 46 plus c. Here see, 46 plus 49 is equal to how much? Here 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 9. 95. Are you getting 95 or not? Yes. So that your answer is correct. See here, 7th question. Sum of 3 consecutive integers is 24. Find the integers. First of all, once you can see here, the sum of consecutive integers, that means these are continuous numbers. For example, if I am taking C 3, 4, 5, these are called consecutive numbers. If you want take here see 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all consecutive numbers only. Once you can observe here, for example, I will take here 15, 16, 17. These are also consecutive numbers. These are 3 consecutive numbers. Once you can see here, if I am taking first number as x, next number should be x plus 1 or not? Yes or no? 15 plus 1 16 or not? If I am taking C, next number should be x plus 2 or not? See, 15 plus 2 17 or not? That means 3 consecutive numbers can be expressed as simply to remember x, x plus 1, x plus 2. See here, now you can see here solution. We will write, see, sum of 3 consecutive integers is 24. That means first of all you can take here, let the 3 consecutive integers are x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2. See, let the 3 consecutive integers are x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2. As per the question, as per the given problem, see what they have mentioned. Sum of 3 consecutive integers is how much? 24. That means you can write here sum of three consecutive integers is equals 24. Just you can add this here. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to here 24. See here x. 1 plus 1. You will get here how much? 3x. 3x plus 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 3x plus 3 is equal to 24. You can transpose 3 to RHS. That means I am writing here 3x is equal to 24 minus 3. In the brackets you can write here transpose 3 to RHS. See here implies you can write here 3x is equal to 24 minus 3 is how much? 21 only. See here next 3 times of x means 3 is multiplying x. You can transpose 3 to RHS, it will become division. Implies x is equal to here 21 by 3. In the brackets you can write here transpose 3 to RHS. See here 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. That means x is equal to how much? 7. That means the 3 consecutive numbers are therefore next you can see here x plus 1 is equal to how much? 7 plus 1 means it is 8 only. Here x plus 2 is equal to how much? Here 7 plus 2 is how much? Here 9. That means therefore you can write here the 3 consecutive integers. The 3 consecutive integers are 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9. Now you can check your result. How can you check? See here, sum of these integers is equal to 24. They have mentioned yes or no. Once you can check here, see. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equal. 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. 15 plus 9 is how much? 24. Are you getting 24 or not? Yes. So that this is your answers. Just you need to check your result. Is it correct or not?